It took 7 years. That's what that thing says. 7 years before it grew.
Oh, really?
Now, you see that tree out there? Look at all the, see that one right in here? Behind that birdhouse?
Right.
Hey,
You
there's
see that on the tree?
Yeah.
Well, they're the same size, same age, plant at the same time. It's unbelievable.
Wow.
One of is over 20 feet if I didn't trim it. I hope.
What is that?
Hi.
What is that? That's from Astro Boy?
Yeah.
Oh, really? You got that from McDonald's? Really? What'd you get from McDonald's? Chicken nuggets? Again? You got chicken nuggets again? Trash can. That's all you eat is chicken nuggets?
Little wafer that sits in there. That plastic wafer fits in there. It shoots it out every time you close the top.
That's trash? You gotta tie your shoes, man.
I can tie it.
Mom's playing so you can tie shoes now.
Good.
You can get it done. It's not. The bread, yeah. Oh, that's crabs. I'm sorry. I got bread too. I brought bread too. They usually posted by me.
This one in here.
How much was it?
$5.
Doesn't?
This happened. Who got the other one was? I can tie it. I can tie it. Stop.
Okay.
Why not talking? Because it takes me. Don't do it too tight. Don't think I'm gonna hurt his foot. He has little feet. I know. Oh, no he doesn't.
His feet about the same size as Miles.
Just about. But they're a little smaller.
How about the other one?
Wait, how do you do it? Don't do it too tight. I can tie shoes. I can tie.
I know you can. Pull it tight.
No! Don't do it tight.
Why?
That'll hurt his feet.
It hurt his feet? I don't know about that. I don't know about that.
What do you mean you don't know about that?